welcome to the next part of our first Kidbright program, which is the body mass index. So before I continue, let's review again our body mass index program. Okay, so here this is the information about our body mass index program. So basically, I'm just using 3 tabs available in the Kidbright, which is the basic, math, and logic tab. Okay, we combine these 3 tabs into a single program. Okay, by just using these 3 tabs. Okay, now let's review again the formula of computing the BMI, which is this one, because we have 2 parts of our BMI mass index program. First part is to compute the BMI. This BMI can be derived by weight divided by height multiplied by height also. So remember, weight in kilograms, height in centimeters. Now today the second part is to display the meaning of BMI value. Okay, we want to display the meaning of BMI value. Now if the BMI is less than 18.5, the value is underweight. If BMI is greater or equal 18.5 and BMI is less than 25, the value is healthy weight. Otherwise, if BMI is greater or equal than 25 and BMI is less than 30, the value is overweight. Otherwise, it will be obese if it's greater than 30. So today we are going to continue our body mass index program by completing the second part, which is this one, to display the BMI value. Okay, so go to your Kidbright simulator website. Okay, so this is where we left last time, our first part of our video. Okay, now let's go to the logic tab. Alright, then I want you to choose this block. Okay, and now let's see how many conditions we have. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on our Kidbright, here we only have 1 condition. So what we can do, click this small icon. Okay, click this else if and drag it below the if statement. So 1, 2 conditions. Now drag again. 1, 2, 3 conditions. Right? Now for the 4th condition, which is this one, we can use the else statement. Right? So now we have 1, 2, 3. Right? Otherwise, or the obese will be displayed this part. Right? So click this icon to hide the options. Right? Now I want you to drag this one and place it here. Right? So before that, let's add a delay block and place it in between the BMI and the condition and set the value to 5. Okay, now let's add the first condition. The first condition says if BMI is less than 18.5, the value is underweight. Okay, BMI. Now let's go to logic. Right, click this block, drag it here. Okay, change the the logical operator to less than sign. Now go to Math tab, okay, and drag this block, right? Choose the BMI. Now click the Math tab again and put or place a constant value that is 18.5, right? So are we following the condition? If BMI is less than 18.5, BMI is less than 18.5, then displays the underweight. Now go to Basic tab, right? Choose this block, Basic tab again, and drag this block and set the value to result, okay, and the value is under root weight, right? Now the second condition, it says if BMI is less than or equal as greater than or equal 18.5 and BMI is less than 25, the value is the weight. Okay, now go back to logic again, logic tab, right? And then I want you to click this block and drag it here, right? Then logic tab again, click this block, okay? Now to quickly add the BMI variable, just click this one, click duplicate, right? And then drag it here. Now okay, let's see again the condition. First condition is greater than or equal 18.5. Now let's change this one. Greater than or equal 18.5. So you can choose this logical operator, okay? And then just click this block and duplicate it and drag it here. Alright, now go back to logic tab again, click this block and place it here. Now just duplicate the variable BMI, okay, drag it here. And what's the next condition? Less than 25. Okay, choose this sign, less than 25, then just duplicate this variable or this constant value, okay, drag it here and change it to 25. Right, now to quickly do the adding of the message, just click this block, duplicate and drag it here, okay, and change it to healthy weight. Yep. And now let's add the third condition, that is if BMI is greater or equal to 25 and BMI is less than 30, the value is overweight. Okay, what you can do is just click this block, right click and duplicate and drag it here, okay. Check again the condition. The first condition is greater than or equal to 25, greater than or equal to 25. So since it's using the correct logical operator, okay, just change this value to 25. Okay, next condition is less than 30. Okay, so since it's using less than 30, is less than sign, now just change the value to 30, right? Again, Now to display the message, just click this block, right click and duplicate and drag it below. Alright, and change the result value to overweight. Now the last condition, if or otherwise the BMI is greater than or equal 30, the value is obese. So since this is the last condition, you don't have to create the if statement. Okay, straight away you can just add the message obese. So to do that, click this block, duplicate, okay, change it to obese. Alright, that's it. So let me just do some slight correction. So instead of using if, it should be else. Okay, else BMI greater than or equal 30, obese. So same thing here, no need to add a condition. Since we have the else statement, then we can do this without adding the condition. Okay, let's try to run. Click the button and let's see the result. Okay, the value of the weight is 70. Okay, the height is 1.60. BMI is 27 point something. Result is overweight. Okay, now let's try a different value. Instead of 70, let's change this to 90 and run. Let's see what's the result. So the value or the result should be obese. Okay, the result is obese. Okay, let's try again for let's say 45. Let's see what's the result. Result is underweight. Okay, one more time. Let's try to change this to, let's say, 52. The result should be healthy weight. Uh, there you go. So we have our first program using Kidbright, and that is the body mass index. So after that, once you're done, you can simply delete these variables, right? Right click, delete block, or you can just drag it and throw it to the bin, right? So class, after that, I want you to add another block, display 5, and I just want you to display your name, right? So just by adding your nickname, okay, your seat number or the classroom number, and then your section M5/1. Okay, that's it. All right, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the button like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.